Hi everyone, Joylyn Bukovac here. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm a local news reporter in Indiana. I'm only 1 year into my news reporter career, and I'm super passionate about helping everyone find their voice, find their purpose, and find their confidence if they haven't yet. And so for that reason, I am filming my everyday work makeup look. The key for news reporter and news anchor makeup is you really want people to be drawn to your mouth and your eyes so you can tell your story and communicate even better and more effectively. I'm not a professional, but I have taken some makeup classes with a professional, and so I used some techniques that she taught me. It was kind of a learning curve, but we'll get to that in the tutorial. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. First, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and I'm just scooping that out and applying that all over my face, forehead, nose, cheeks, and chin. And then right after that, I'll be getting my NYX Shine Killer Primer. And you can focus this on where you get oily. For me, that's all over my face. Next, I'm taking this cream eyeshadow by Mary Kay. It's in the shade Beach Blonde, and I'm using a concealer brush, and then I'm just gonna blend that out with the tips of my fingers. And I'm going to take the darkest brown color in my palette. It's called Espresso by Mary Kay. And I'm going to take a angled brush and just put that through my brows, and ta-da, the magic of editing. And then after that, I'm taking Driftwood by Mary Kay as well, and this medium matte brown color, and that's going to be my transition shade. I'm just mixing the two, and I'm using a fluffy brush, and after that I'm using a less fluffy brush, it's more dense, and taking that dark brown color and just putting that on the outer thirds of my eye and blending it out. Then after that, I'm going back in with the cream eyeshadow, same color, and I'm just putting that on the inner 1/3 of my eye. And then I'm going in with this Chroma Fusion light color. I don't know what shade it is, and after that light color, I'm just going to line my lower lashes with that dark color. And now I'm taking my Fake Awake by Tarte. This is just a nude pencil, and I'm putting that in my waterline. And then I'm just going to attempt to do a winged liner on camera. I had to do that off camera, I apologize. Now I'm taking my Beauty Blender and my Make It Forever HD foundation and applying that all over my face. And now I'm taking my Coty Airspun powder in the shade Translucent and this fluffy brush by Mary Kay, and I'm going to put that all over my face, just swirling it around. And then after that, I'm going to just pat and roll on the places I get most oily. That'll help me absorb the oil. Now after that, I'm taking this cheek brush, and I'm going to apply that on the hollows of my cheek, sides of my nose, and on my forehead using the skinny edge. Now I'm taking the fat edge by flipping it around and taking Warm Soul by MAC and applying that on my cheeks. Now I'm taking my favorite Essence mascara, and I'm applying 4 coats of that. I'm doing that mostly off camera. I apologize for that. And after that, I'm going to be taking my favorite Mary Kay lipstick, and I think this is called Ginger Snap, and that is it for the makeup. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you found anything about this video beneficial, go ahead and share it with people. That way we can really build the community that I'm trying to build here on YouTube as well as Instagram. And if you have any inspiration or any suggestions for my next video, I am all ears. So go ahead and let me know. You can send me an Instagram DM, comment on this video, or yeah, I guess that's your only option. See you guys in Instagram world, and see you next Sunday. Have a great day.